Today, shooting 6.8 Western, shooting 170 EOLs. Got 3 different loads worked up. Gonna shoot those, see how things go. Kind of excited, so hopefully everything goes well. Got the Browning X-Bolt with a 26-inch barrel. Basically just factory, nothing really. Changed the stock and the scope just to make it lighter. And that's about it, but it's shooting pretty good. So I wanted to work up on some Bergers, the 170s, and see how things go. And I'm excited about that. So we'll see how things work out. Today I've got the 6.8 Western out, and I loaded up some 170 EOL, some Bergers, and I got some okay results, way better than the last one. So the first load was Reloader 22 with 61 grains. It shot okay, not great, but within about an inch. I was thinking about 1.2. Its velocity ended up being 28.67, and the SD was 14, so not great. I did have 2 bullets go in the same hole, so that was good. And then the next load was Reloader 26, had 62.2 grains, and I was hopeful on this one, and so far looks good. Probably have to do a little bit more shooting with it to make sure, but it shot about a 5/8 group at 29.84 with a SD of 9.3, but close enough. And it's looking promising. I had 2 shots with the same velocity at 29.76. So I'm going to probably end up loading that up and doing some more testing and check it for long range. And my zero is off because it's zeroed in on a different bullet, but just for accuracy, I was just shooting with it where it is to see where it impacts. And then I did N570, 76 grains, which is about 103% over max, or it's crushing the powder when you load it. So I was not wanting to really shoot that, but I was testing and seeing. The max load for it is what was it, 68.3, and I thought that was too much. I couldn't even really get it to seat well. Sorry about the traffic. My shooting range is close to the road. And that one shot pretty decent, a little bit wider, but it's promising, but I probably won't go with that one. It ended up being 28.70 with a 1.3 inch group. So Reloader 26 is looking like the one I'm gonna use, and I'll do some more testing with it and shoot it out at long range and see how that performs. I like the number. The velocity is great. If the group continues, I'll probably shoot a 5-shot string or maybe even a 10 to see how well consistent it stays. But I always figure 3 shots, because if I'm shooting an animal, if those 3 shots are within a 1/2 inch or 3/4 of an inch, I can be promising that those 3 shots I'm going to hit an animal. Any more than that, I don't like to really fling lead out there. So I'm happy with the results. Hopefully this helps you guys. This is a 26-inch barrel, Browning X-Bolt. If you watch some of the other videos, I said that and some other stuff I've done to it, but I'm happy with the results. Hopefully this helps, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. So here's the final results. It was a little bigger than I thought. So it's a inch and 7/8, 9.9, whatever there, maybe 2 inches. This one's about 1.5 inches. And this one is 1 1/4 inches maybe, but I had one flyer. I mean, it always happens. So it could be me, could not, but those three were the first. And then I shot that one as the barrel was pretty hot. So can blame it on all kinds of stuff, but you never know. So that was the shooting that happened. I like the velocities. I might adjust a few things, but I can't complain for the most part. Decent groups from what I did have, and we'll see how it ends up. But I think I'm going to go with the Reloader 26. That's this one. And I'll do some more testing with that and see how things go. But I'm happy with it so far. I'll try maybe a 10-shot string, see how consistent it gets. But I like the velocity, I like the look of it, and it had a good result for me. So we shall see. But thanks for watching.